In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products in a Wix website. To get started, open your Wix site and go into the page editor so you can access all of your website management tools. Once you're inside the editor, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on My Business. This section is where Wix keeps many of the core tools related to running and managing your site, especially if you're using it for sales or online business features. After that, click on My Store. This will take you into the area connected to your online shop, where you can control your products, store settings, and other important e-commerce options. From there, choose Manage Products. This is the section where all of your existing products are listed, and it's also where you can create brand new ones. Once you're on the Manage Products page, look for the plus sign that allows you to add a new product. Click it to begin creating your item. This opens the product setup area, where you'll enter all the details customers need to see before making a purchase. Start by filling in the basic information for your product. This usually includes the product name and description, so make sure the title is clear and the description explains exactly what the item is. A good description helps customers understand the product quickly and can make your store look more professional. Next, enter the pricing information. Be careful here to make sure the price is accurate before publishing. If your product has different options or variations, you may also want to check how pricing is displayed so everything stays consistent for the customer. You can also add images and videos. This is one of the most important parts of listing a product because visuals help shoppers feel more confident about what they're buying. Try to use clear, high-quality images that show the product well. Then move on to inventory and any other available settings. In this section, you can manage stock levels and make sure the product availability is set correctly. This is especially useful if you're selling physical items and want to avoid overselling. Once you've completed all the necessary product details, click Save. That will store your new product in your Wix shop, so it can be reviewed, updated, or published as part of your online store. And that's how you add products in a Wix website. If you're adding multiple products, just repeat the same process for each one and keep your information organized for a smoother store setup.